Hey everybody, I'm Brooke and welcome back to the BG Bakers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make an apple upside down cake. This cake is pretty easy to make and it is super delicious. But before we get started with this video, I want to give a shout out to the Baking Profile by Y for winning last video's comment competition. If y'all want a chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Good luck! First, you're going to butter a 9-inch circle pan. Now you're going to peel 4 Granny Smith or Golden Delicious apples. Now you're going to cut 2 apples in half, and then you're going to cut the halves into 1/4 an inch thick slices, and then you're going to cut the cores out of the slices. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other 2 apples, except you're going to cut 1/2 inch thick slices. Now you're going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a 12-inch skillet over medium-high heat. Then you're going to add your 1/2 inch thick apple slices and cook them until they caramelize for about 4 to 6 minutes, but you don't want to cook them completely. Now you're going to add your 1/4 an inch thick slices, 2/3 a cup of packed brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and you're going to cook that for about 1 minute. Now you're going to pour your topping into the prepared pan, and be careful because once you pour the topping into the pan, it will make the pan very hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. Then you're going to lightly press the apples into the pan and then set it aside so we can make the cake. In a stand mixer, you're going to beat together 2 eggs, 3/4 a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 a cup of packed brown sugar for about 45 seconds. Now, while mixing, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Now you're going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, you're going to whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to add your flour mixture to your wet ingredients mixture. Alright, now you're going to pour your cake batter onto your apples and then just spread it out. Now you're going to bake it on the lowest rack in your oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. When I took my cake out, my oven was smoking because my cake pan wasn't tall enough for my cake, so some of the apple topping stuff spilled out. So you might want to put a baking sheet under your cake if you don't want to make a mess in your oven. After 20 minutes of letting your cake sit, you're going to take a knife and cut around the edges just to loosen up the cake. Then you're going to put a wired rack on top of the cake. Then you're going to put a baking sheet on top of the wired rack, and then you're going to flip your cake over. Let your cake sit for 20 more minutes before enjoying. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and comment down below with your best comment. Also remember that we post our videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11:30 Central Time. See you next time on BG Bakers.